this part you just want to be patient. See how I'm not trying to smooth it all the way down the first time? I'm just doing a little bit at a time, then rotating the cake. Because you need to pull the fondant apart, push it down, pull it apart. And at this point I can go ahead and get rid of some of this excess. It'll be a little bit easier. Okay, I placed some double-sided tape right here because this is on its own cardboard. Pick that up, place it right on top of that. At this point you can go around with a spatula and kind of tuck in any of the fondant that you need to, but again, you're going to have sugar sand down there, so you don't really have to worry about it too much. Okay, and just like we did on the other bucket, we're going to go ahead and take the same tool, and we'll do it right about here. So if I just hold it on there and then turn the turntable, I'll go around a second time just to make it a little bit deeper. Okay, so there's one. We'll go ahead and do a second one. Voila! Okay, now the next step, we have to do that same band around the top. So let me push this out of the way. Roll out our orange foundation. Okay, so it helps if you kind of roll it into a little bit of a cord at first, and then you could take your rolling pin and roll it this way, and then roll it lengthwise. Now, if you're not sure how long to do it, you could take a tape measure if you wanted to, and whoa! Hopefully that doesn't happen to you. Take a tape measure and measure around. But I usually just eyeball it. If it doesn't work the first time, we'll just have to roll it out again. Okay, so I need some water right around the edge here. Place this on, I will actually fold it over that way first, just so it doesn't slide off. This is the same way you would do a plant pot. Except the plant pot, you would leave it sticking up. And for our beach bucket, we're going to have it fold over. Okay, so at this part, this is where I start to fold it over. See, I'm lifting this up, lifting it up there and folding that down. Okay, so you just need to keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't slide down on you.